Hey everybody, it's Tracy again. And on my last video I showed you my little haul from Tuesday morning. And I got this We Are Memory Keepers mini envelope punch board. And I thought I'd share a video with you on how to use it, because when the regular one came out, my friend and I, we purchased them and we got super confused on the instructions. Actually, I believe a lot of people did. So I thought I'd share with you how to use it. And they're actually pretty simple to use once you read the instructions correctly. So this one makes it makes from a 1x1 card size up to a 4x4 card size. And I did one before the video, just to show you what it looks like when you're done, and then I will do two with you. So this one here is, I forget what size it is, because, you know, I don't know what my problem is. I'm sick, that's what my problem is. So this is a 2.5 by 3.5, I believe. Yes, 2.5 by 3.5, and you have to use a 4 by 7/8 by 4 by 7/8 piece of paper to make this envelope, which I think I might cut the top off and use it in a junk journal, but I may leave it on there, who knows. So this one here, and it's, like I said, it's really simple. This piece of paper is 5.5 by 5.5, and it will make a 3x4 card size envelope. So the problem we had was, it says for that size card that you need to have it at the 3 1/8 score line. So here's your score line, but what you need to do is have it over here, 3 1/8, not this way. That's where Laura and I had messed up, is we were reading the measuring backwards. Okay, so you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to mark it up, like I said, at 3 1/8 right here. Okay, and then your score line. This is going to be difficult because I am left-handed, and you know, left-handed people don't craft apparently. Just kidding. Anyways, you're going to score right here. Okay, make sure your paper doesn't move, because the one I tried before, it was horrible. And then you're going to punch. Okay, now what you want to do is you rotate it, and this does not need to be on the 3 1/8. You need to match up this score line with this little pointy piece right here. Okay, that's the most important part. Otherwise, your envelopes do not turn out right. So I've lined it up, and then I'm going to take my little scoring tool and I'm going to score again and punch. Okay. Then we rotate again. Again, you do not have to measure it up there. You match it up there. You have to match it up here. Score line matched up with the nub. Score and punch. Okay. And rotate one more time. You have to do this 4 times total. Only the first time does it need to be matched up over here on this far end. Okay, my battery's getting low, so I won't be doing 2 envelopes with you. Poor battery. Score again and punch. And then you take it around this side and you punch, and it rounds the ends. Okay, and you do that 4 times. Trying to do this before my batteries die. I literally just changed the batteries before this video and the other video. Do not buy batteries from Harbor Freight, apparently. Okay, you're going to fold it over. You're going to choose your type of adhesives. And voila, you have a mini envelope. So there's my second one there, a 3x4 and a 2.5 by 3.5. And so thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe, and you guys have a wonderful evening.